this place could use a few more courses for someone like me who goes through the courses really, really fast.
I give it a 9 out of 10 because there were some rides that were broken. Well, I give it a 7 out of 10 because compared to other ones, there are longer courses and some more difficult parts to it.
I gotta tell you, the first time I've done one of these things, I gotta give it a 9 out of 10. It loses 1 point because I heard some of the places they give, or they can buy gloves, which would have helped because my hands are killing me.
I gave it a 9 out of 10 because there's a broken part in the course and I had to jump for it, but I missed it and it hurt parts.
8 out of 10. Every part feels like the tree's gonna fall down.
This looks like a face.
Not bad.